Man, you can't come fly nothing out here, man. We already got it.
Tell you what, goddamn kids.
Did they wake up Grandpa already? I wasn't even paying attention.
It's too foggy. Over there.
Hell yeah. They just woke Grandpa up, so they getting right. They getting right. Come on. Well, yeah, they got another YouTuber in here. Huh. That's some fun YouTuber. D, come put, after you put that trap on the gate, come put, on this other side and put your trap on the fuse box. On the generator side, by the left gate, in the little middle shack. Press up on the D-pad, running over there, and you'll see it. You see it? Yeah.
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Press up on the D-pad and turn around. Yeah, he right here on me, Scotty. He tried to slam me.
I'm sorry. What's coming to you?
Sorry. He going upstairs.
Moving.
I'd watch that tongue of yours, old man.
You're supposed to be the tough one around here. They are making a fool out of you.
Yes, sir, brother. That's what I'm talking about. YouTube that, buddy.
I know you around here somewhere.
It's my show. Fuck all of them.
Stop running! You're just the cook. We're the ones who do all the killing.
Somebody is on battery side.
Well, looks as if
They
somebody's
just opened it up.
leaking.
Here's Julie on the gate. I see her.
You better not be messing with Grandpa. Gonna find yourself in a...
Yeah, them bitches hurt. I know them bitches hurt. I know them bitches hurt. Y'all fight me. Fight me. Fight me, bitch. Fight me, bitch. You dead. Don't Yeah. Yeah. It gets real. It gets real. Break through that. Break through that. That's what you'll do. Break through that right there. Mm-hmm. I'm about to go get my other lock. No trip. Check that generator side. Both of the locks still look good. The fuse over there. Make sure nobody opened that.
Just get back here. You're only making things worse. I got you now.
Shoe in the crack. Danny just grabbed the fuse valve. He going upstairs in the thing. Going upstairs. Hold on. I'm on bitch boy Danny right now. Come upstairs in the mill real quick. One of y'all. You see him? He going up to the top. He about to hit the fuse box. He about to tamper it. But I'm gonna go on that side. You stay on this side, D, just in case he crosses back over. Nah. Come down to the part where they cross over that little wall in the walkway. Come to the second floor. He right here on me. You dead, bitch. You dead, bitch. Come on. Come on. Give me that. Give me that, baby cakes. Give me that.
That's what you get.
Oh, I see her. I see her. I see her. She right here on me. I'm about to get her ass. She just wailed.
You shifty in a skeeter hawk, I'll give you that. You better not be messing with Grandpa. Gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
Come on back now. Got something I want to show you.
She must be on the other side of the wall.
If you don't stop with a runaround, I'm gonna feed your dinners to Grandpa.
Come here. Come here, stupid. But you ain't gonna make it far. Trust. Trust, you ain't gonna make it far. You ain't making it far, baby. I already know. Just went over that wall. She ain't gonna make it far. I'm telling you. She probably just went up to the top.
You shifty in a skeeter hawk, I'll give you that.
She going upstairs right now. She coming straight to me. Coming straight to me. Got her. Good shit, GG's, boys.
This'll shut you up a bit.
That's how we do that.
Ain't nobody do a job right
Let's
but
get
me
right.
around here. I tell you
Yeah,
what.
come on. Gotta make sure you gotta start coming up here quick. Cause just in case we get them teams that rush, gotta be on top of that. See? There they go. Yep. That's why you gotta be just coming through. Just coming through. Oh yeah, and then look, it's even better because the fuse box on this side too. Come on now. Come on, D, you gotta help him get to the front.
I'ma smack that Johnny upside his doggone head. It's all his doing.
Alright, bet.
They couldn't have gone much further. I got you now.
He about to be coming up the stairs and holding pin, the long building, with the stairs. Where you at, D? Come here. No, come here. You coming to me. Put a trap right here. Put a trap in this walkway.
You're about as useless as a holdout slop bucket.
I'm right here with you.
Damn it, boy.
He about to try to run me over.
You know?
He fighting you, Scotty. Facts. They both probably got the fucking perks on to make us stand up for a little bit. Good shit, D. Good shit. They went back in the where they came up from. Yeah.
Damn kids.
I'm pinging them. There you go. Do you come finish? Oh, you set it up? Good shit. Alright, bet.
I know you around here somewhere. You can't hide from me.
So you got one trap left. Put it in that walkway. Well, in the first walkway. Well, I was standing at that first.
I'd watch that tongue of yours, old man. It might go missing one day.
Over here. Come on. Over here. This spot. Always, 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 always. This spot.
I'm tired of messing with you. You get out of here.
Now, where did you
I'm
go?
fixing to find the owner, that's for sure.
They coming back through that holding pin look like. Doc Honey. No bitch. Yeah, go through the curtain wall. That's what I thought. She felt that hit him, boy. Almost lost her brains. They come into holding pin, the long building again.
I've about
Long
had
building
it.
again?
Take it now.
Alright.
They're over here.
Go over there and help him, D. Go over there and help him.
All right now. If you don't stop with the runaround,
Mm-hmm.
feed your chickens to Rambo.
One I'm going to the back. I'm gonna meet you. I'm gonna meet you. Somebody just opened the gate going to generator. Hold on. Yup, and it's Danny. He about to do the fucking fuse. I'm going over there. Hold on. Nah, that's Leland.
Just get back here. You're only making things worse.
No, bitch.
I know much
Fuck off of
enjoy
that.
being violent, but I got no choice here.
Right there, D. Yeah, get that bitch. Hold on, Scotty. We coming. Keep chasing him, D. Keep chasing him. I'm going to help him. Alright.
We didn't have much choice. We couldn't let Johnny spring no love child around here. This ain't personal. Now get
I
back.
see Connie. They're picking up bone scrap. You ain't gonna win, never. They have builds, that's why they have perks for it. It's either you literally just gonna tap it out or you just not gonna win it. That's simple. That's why they have the perks.
If you just listen, I wouldn't have to do this.
Ain't no
Lord mercy. I'm getting fed up as all get out.
I got Leland and Anna again.
Dead meat.
They both coming up. They going towards generator side again. One is going towards slaughter front.
Go on out now.
He going to the fuse box. He going to the fuse box. I pinged him. He coming straight to me. Got him. Let's get it, baby. That's how you do that. How your traps looking, D?
Hollering at ya.
I'm with you. She crawled over. That boy swung at me. Fuck! Ran out of stamina. She went through there. Did she well? She did. The fuck? No, I'm coming through that shit. Come on. I'm coming through that shit. Come on. Check them doors.
This is for your own good. Why you running?
You said the in house? D, go over there and help him, D, so you can crawl through all that shit.
Personal. Now get back You better not be messing with Grandpa. Gonna find
Y'all
yourself
still
in a
ain't kill a nigga
jam
yet?
if you do. Lord mercy.
Connie came back in, start out just now. D, where you at? So did Danny well?
Now you listen. I ain't much interested in chasing you around.
Danny is going to the basement exit. He's right here. I just pinged him. Oh, he bled out. Aha! Aha! Come here, Danny boy. Aha! This bill going stupid, huh? This bill got you hurting. Oh, man. Oh, man. What I'm talking about, Danny, yo. Yes, sir, Danny. Right there.
I told that boy not to bring those girls around here. Look at the dang mess he stirred up.
Yep. Same thing. Right. It's probably just doing that to us because we just got to back out and reset.
They couldn't have gone much further. Where'd they go? I'm fixing to find you all that.
Somebody said like they just can't. They over there by the by generator side. Yep. I feel it.
We ain't letting y'all.
Sonny over here. Alright.
Come here, I'll show you.
Don't worry.
I'm right here on the.
Like it.
What the fuck? That's not a hit?
Come on now. You know I can't let you leave.
That's a bet. We got Julie on me.
Your own fault. You should have better known better.
She trying to go up the ladder. You gonna go up the ladder in my face? Huh? In my face? She coming to your side, Scotty. She hurt, bro. She about to bleed out. She ran in the building to you. Lord have mercy.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, I got her. She went through. She trying to make it to the well. Oh, She didn't make it. Poor you, poor you, bro. She was the one doing everything too.
That's what you.
Shit crazy.
Looks as if somebody's leaking.
Is the red lock still on that gate on the left side? You say it is? Alright. Cause it didn't pick up.
Grandpa, here you go.
Come on back now. I've got something I want to show you.
Why I sound like I hit somebody? Somebody got caught in a trap just now, I think. Yup.
You shifty as a
Good shit,
squirrel,
good shit.
I'll give you that.
Yes, sir. Come on, that's what I'm talking about.
Got you now. They're over here.
Got Anna on me in the mill. Anna on me. Whoever free, come get that. Let's kill. Yup, in the mill. Going around back. I'm going around. I'm going around. She going up to the second floor. Fight me. I think she about to wear out. No, she's still up. She right here, Scotty, in this. Go on the other side, go on the other side. I'm still right here, stay right there, stay right there, stay right there, stay right there, stay right there. She trying to wear out. Got her. We just, wait, no, she the last one. GG's.
What's coming to you now? You're moving. I don't much enjoy this. Some things just gotta be done.
Need you up here, D.
What the heck is everybody doing? We should have found him by now. Damn, where are you?
And the holding pin just came upstairs. Virginia going to the back. I'm gonna force out the back end, Scotty.
Thought you knew how to run this house.
That's if she come this way.
It's a mess.
Look,
She's
I'm
right here
sorry
on me.
about your friend, but I knew you around here somewhere.
She right there, Scotty. If you still over there.
It's gonna be much more for the worse if the others find you. I promise you that. Yeah, I'm fixing to find you, that's for sure.
I can use it.
You ain't gonna make it far.
Don't worry. I'll find
Come
you.
on out now. Come on. You better not be messing with Grandpa. Gonna find your yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
You even.
Look at that shit, man. I deserve that. Too mean. Too mean. Don't play with me. Check them doors up top.
I will. I promise.
Hey, going up to that door, Scotty. Right there.
Right now, if you
Coming
don't
up to you
stop
now.
the runaround, I'm gonna
D, check them generator doors.
Grandpa.
Yeah.
This is gonna be easy.
Fight another one. She won it. She got the perk on. She at the gate. D, come in here and chase her, D. D, come in here and chase her. Where the fuck this bitch is going?
Can't focus. Need to clear my head.
D, you stay in here. They got one in here. They got one that's in there. Anna. Close that door. Oh, shit. Oh. Virginia is going to the right door of Slaughterhouse.
We ain't had much choice. We couldn't let Johnny bring no love child around here. This ain't personal. Now get back here.
We got two in Slaughter now. Scotty might just come play Slaughter with him. They got two in Slaughterhouse. They probably gonna double them up.
Lord mercy. I'm getting.
You see him in that, D?
Oh, get out. This is your own fault. You should have better known better than to come around here. Now quit hiding.
One of them look like they came out.
You can't hide from
Yep, one
me.
came out. And the other one should still be in there. Oh, both of them. Hey, both of them came out. Both of them came out.
I'm safe right now. I gotta be careful.
They both on generator side. Both. One is on top of Grandpa's shit.
Why are you doing this to me?
All right. I can't think straight with all this craziness going on.
Don't worry.
See what you mean?
Alright. I got one on me right now too. D, we need you over here. Both of them in the same area. I'm gonna come up. D, keep chasing her, D.
That one ain't gonna make it much.
She fucked up. She fucked up. Yep. D, what the other one went at? D, did the other one well? I found him.
Shifty as a skeeter, I'll give you that.
This nigga just walking around.
Hey, now! They're over here! Come on out now! Come on! Now let's go and have a look. See where this leads to.
What trap? She by generator. She by generator. Alright.
This is your own fault.
I'm on her ass. Got her.
I told you I was tired of
This
hard.
shit.
This is kind
GG,
of like the
boys.
old days. I still got